I never needed anyone. Not in the silence, not in the hunt. The forest was mine and mine alone. And just like that, the forest gave me something I never asked for. I should have walked away, but I didn't. He thought I was his mother. Maybe I started to believe it too. I taught him how to survive. He taught me how to laugh. That sky, it was calling him. I saw it in his wings. I told him to go, even though every part of me wanted him to stay. The silence came back, but it didn't feel the same. I never looked for him, but he remembered me. Somewhere up there, he flies, and down here, I wait.